Hello, this is your man, the Auto Man. I'm back with another video of a 3UR engine Toyota Sequoia. So let's go with the time machine. The timing is hard to set, but you have to know how to set it. Not hard. Let me show you easily. Let's go straight up from the camshaft. This is the bank 2. You can see the mark. See where the timing is. Bami parking is okay, Samuel. So let's go from here. You can see this. This is the bank 2. You can see the other one here, right? Also, it's marking with this. It's marked. See, I give you the marking. You can see one with that mark I give you. See the second one there, right there. See the second one right here. So let's go with this under here. At the camshaft back, you see a mark here. Let me position my camera to the mark. If you look at it carefully, you see a mark there. The mark is corresponding with this. Let's work with this straight away. You can see this is the bouncer. You see the camshaft from the bouncer. Look at this one. Yes. Look at this one facing up. Look at this one facing down. So let's go to the bank one. This is the bank one. This is bank one where the plug start from. The plug one start from. This is the number one, which is the bank one. This is the number two. This is the bank two where the number two. This side is number two where the number two plug start from. This is where the number one plug start from. This is the bank one of the cylinder. So you can see the timing from the camshaft right here, showing you from here, and here facing that market. The one I put here, see it here and here. Facing each other from that side. So let's go straight. You can see if you look it carefully, you see what the mark I'm talking about. So that it corresponds with the yellow mark. You can see that this is the other thing. The exhaust cam shaft at the back one. You can see there, see the mark there corresponding with the yellow mark at the back one. You can see it there. So let's go down.
Oh no, my shake
Let's
here.
go down to the crankshaft. Go to the crankshaft. There is a point here. And check here, there is a point here. Corresponding with the yellow mark. The second sprocket on that. There's another mark there. The two yellow marks are working together with the switching timing. You can see corresponding with each other. So let me now show you. Let me show you how I get the point under the crankshaft that I'm talking about. Let me show you how I get it. You can see the number one plug is losing. I lose it because I did not come out the engine. I did not remove the engine. So when I now remove the engine, now for me to get it easily is to lose the number one plug out. So I return the crankshaft. When the number one piston is fully up, at a point fully up, it will give me the correct point of this crankshaft under here. It will give me. So when I turn it off, the number one piston is up, so I get the point from the crankshaft. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you all, guys. Keep watching my new and those videos.